If your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi but you are getting that error that it cannot provide internet, then simply follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue. Firstly, check your internet connection. Test your Wi-Fi connection with another device like a laptop or another phone to ensure the issue is specific to your iPhone. If other device can connect to the internet, the issue is with your iPhone. If all devices have no internet, then the problem lies within your router or internet service. Also, simply try toggling the Wi-Fi off and on. Go to settings, open Wi-Fi and toggle the Wi-Fi switch off and wait for a few seconds, then toggle it back on and reconnect to the network. Once done, simply go back to the settings again. Then tap on the general option available there. Inside general, tap on the software update. Then make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, as updates may include fixes for connectivity or bug issues. If an update is available, you can see update now or download and install option available. Simply tap on it and download it. Now, once done, so again go back to the settings general and this time scroll down till the bottom and there you can see transfer or reset iPhone available. Tap on it and tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. This step will reset Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connection and VPN settings, but it won't erase your personal data. After reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Also, if all else fails, then you can't resolve the issue. There might be a problem with the internet service. Simply contact your ISP for further troubleshooting or assistance. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.